Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Hope everything is going well, and I also hope and expect that you are doing your work regularly. Today we'll do the poem Try Again. It contains a special lesson for you. Try again is a universal message. It gives the message that if we have to try again to achieve our goal, we are not bound to success in our first attempt. We are lucky if it is so, but if we are not successful, we should not lose heart and keep on trying, because we should not get disappointed. We must demonstrate that we have the courage to bear the loss. Come to the poem. Tis a lesson you should heed. This a lesson you should heed. This is the lesson on which you should concentrate, the lesson which you should try and learn, and the lesson is try again. If at first you do not succeed, that if you are trying to achieve your goal, but you are not successful in your first attempt, then try again. The poet is all again and again repeating the lines try again, because he wants to teach you a lesson that success is not bound to the first attempt. It is our efforts which make us successful. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere if you try again, if you continue to do your efforts in spite of failure, and then you have the courage to achieve your goal, you will conquer. Never fear, you will be successful. Do not be afraid of be unsuccessful. Try again. That we may fall in our efforts from one time or two, but we should keep on struggling. We should keep our efforts. We should steadfast in our efforts without any fear or worry. If we do so, then we are bound to success. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. One or twice, though you should fail, that you may not get success in one or two efforts, then you keep on struggling. Finally, you will win. If you would at last prevail, that if you are trying again, then you will be victorious. For your success, for your victory, you have to make continuous efforts. You should not lose hope. If we strive, it is not disgrace. If we strive, if we make efforts, if we struggle, if we continue fighting, it is not a disgrace. We should not feel ashamed that we have not won in the first attempt. We should carry on making efforts. Though we did not win the race, what should you do in that case? Now the poet is asking the question that if you are not successful in the race, then what should you do? And first he's asking the question, and then he's giving the answer. That if you are not successful in your race, in your game, then in that case, what you should have to do, you should have to make another attempt. You should have to make another attempt to reach the victory. You should have to try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. The poet is again and again repeating the same words, that try again. Keep on working, keep on making continuous effort. If you feel that your job is difficult, you should not lose heart. You should keep on working. Then there will be time. That time will bring you your reward. Then there will be time that you will enjoy the fruit of your efforts. Your efforts bore fruit. You will reach the victory. And for that victory, you have to make continuous effort. You have to try again and again. You should keep in mind the story of King Robert Bruce, that he made continuous efforts to win the battle. So instead of losing heart, instead of feeling disgrace, you have to make efforts again and again, and there is no number of efforts which you have to make that after second or third or fourth attempt you will achieve the victory. There is no number for it. Maybe you are lucky enough, you will reach the victory in the very first attempt, or in the second, or in the third. But on your part, it is that you have to make continuous effort. You should not feel disgrace of losing the match. You make efforts. You continuously trying for it. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? That if other people are achieving success, they are standing on the victory stand, then why should not you? You should be patient. You should have patience and to work again and again to reach your success. Only keep this rule in view. Try again. The only rule for achieving the victory, the only rule for achieving the success is making continuous efforts, is making efforts to reach the goal, to try again. You should just need to continue working till you succeed. The message of the poem is universal. The poet says that when the world says give up, hope whispers try once more. It means that the road of success is dotted with many problems. It has many hurdles, but you should have to overcome those hurdles with your continuous efforts. So you should keep up trying again and again to cross these roads, to cross those hurdles, to achieve your success. Come to the box question. What does the word persevere means? It means that we should continue try to do something in spite of failure. If we strive, it is not disgrace. Explain this sentence. It means that struggle is not shameful. We should keep on trying to achieve our success. Why is the poet repeating the sentence try again? The poet wants to teach us the lesson that we should keep on trying to be on the victory stand.